Where are we gonna start off at?
Close up, like, come up from here. I'm when you're recording. You been recording?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, shit, I got the premium seat. I took the foam out, stapled the seat cover back on. Obviously twisted purple. The same one over here, grinded it down, put some shitty screws in. Shadow peg, only got one. Other one keeps falling off. I got the new stolen revolver rims, folding up for $140 for front and back. The Primo Dirt Monsters, front and back 220. The Tree 28 tooth, bell chain, Haro cranks, fit stock stem, fit Northwest bars, quad grips because they don't fuck up like the other grips because they hold on for about almost a year now. And all I got is that. And then the same rim in the back, this front. Odyssey Pro Dirt, or Classic Dirt. And the Eclat headset just came out not too long ago. Apple green. And it's a felt frame.
Customized paint job.
Yeah, definitely. I did that myself. Cut down the seat post. I have a wedge seat post made by myself. And that's pretty much it.
That's Baja.